In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the engine mount on your Ford Focus. This will be located under the coolant reservoir on the passenger side. Let's get started. Using a jack, we're going to jack up on the side of the oil pan just to lift the engine slightly. Right there. Using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt for the coolant reservoir. Remove the bolt, pull the plastic lines out of the clip. There's a clip in the back holding the coolant reservoir. We're going to use a flat blade screwdriver. Get behind this tab, pop it up, and slide the reservoir over to the side. Remove the three 15mm bolts at the base of the mount. Remove the two 18mm nuts. Remove the engine mount. Using an 18mm wrench to hold the nut, we're going to use an E10 socket and remove the bolt from the nut. Remove the stud from the nut. Do this on both studs. Install the studs. Snug them down. Install the mount. Get the nuts threaded on. Snug the nuts down. Alternate between the two as you're tightening. Torque the top nuts to 66 foot-pounds. When we took out the base bolts, we found some red thread locker on them. Cleaned this up with a wire wheel, and then before installing the bolts, apply just a bit of red thread locker. Snug down the bolts. Torque the bolts to 35 foot-pounds. Remove the jack. Install the coolant tank. Be sure in the back that it sits down on the tab. Get the bolt started in the front. Snug it down. Install the plastic lines into the clip.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.